Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to the summary lecture of Introduction to Management. And in this video, we will summarize week number 1, lecture 1 and 2. Students, comprehensive and detailed lectures have already been shared with you. And in this video, I will try to summarize the whole topics or the complete topics of week number 1, lecture number 1 and 2. So first of all, we will come to the introduction to management, and in this introduction to management, so first of all we will come to the definition of management, and definition of management is written here, which tells us that management is a process of achieving organization goals in effective and efficient manner by utilizing four functions, that is planning, organizing, leading and controlling. So students, from this definition we come to know that management is a process, and process means the activity which involves several steps. Then it comes organizational goals, and students, let's have an idea about the organization. Organization has three components or three parts and parcels. Number one, organization is a place where two or more people work together. They are interdependent, and number three, they have mutual goals. So if we come to the definition of organization, we will see that there are three parts, where number one, deliberately structured unit of people, more than one people, they are deliberately structured, they are interdependent, and number three, they have distinct purpose, means they have a purpose, they have a goal to achieve, and the goal is similar in the whole organization. Then students, it comes the word efficient, effective and efficient. Effectiveness means doing the right thing, and efficiency means doing things right. Then efficient manner by utilizing four functions, and there are four functions of management: planning, organizing, leading and controlling. So students, let's have a summary of the management definition. That management is a process where organization goals are achieved in effective and efficient manner. And how can an organization become efficient and effective? It can become effective and efficient by using four functions, and four functions are the functions of management, which are called planning, organizing, leading and controlling. So this was the definition of the management, where organizations try to achieve their goals by using four functions, that is planning, organizing, leading, controlling. So students, now we will come to the definition and understanding of these four functions: number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. So first of all, we will come to the first function of the management, which is planning. Planning involves two things. Number one, setting goals, and number 2, defining policies, system to achieve those goals. So it gives us the answer of 2 questions. Question number 1, what to do, and question number 2, how to do. So students, planning means where organizations set goals for themselves, and number 2, they make plans or they make systems and policies and strategies to achieve the goals. Next function of the management is organizing. In organizing, organizations arrange tasks, distribute resources, and decide what task is to be done by which employee or which individual. Then we come to the third function, which is called leading. In leading, it is we involve number 1, interpersonal skills. It also involves motivation, and along with interpersonal skills and motivation, it also involves delegating responsibilities. Or in leading, managers assign tasks to subordinates or to employees. Fourth function of the management is controlling. Controlling means when we plan, when we organize, or when we lead and we give tasks and we assign tasks to employees, and employees have gone to do their work, then managers have to control. Control means manager have to, number 1, evaluate performance, number 2, compare performance, and number 3, manager has to take action or take corrective actions if it is required. So students, when managers plan, they organize and they lead and they give tasks to their subordinates, then they have to evaluate the actual performance of the employees. They have to compare their actual performance with standard or expectations or expected performance of the employee, and if the performance is good, then it is fine. But if the performance is not good and performance needs improvement, then they will take corrective action. Corrective actions means if the performance needs improvement, they will take corrective actions. If the performance does not need improvement, then we will not take any action in the controlling process, in the controlling step. So students, we have understood, or we have tried to understand the definition of the management, where we have studied that management is a process of achieving organizational goals in effective and efficient manners by using 4 functions, that is planning, organizing, leading and controlling. So let's move to the next topic. So there are different types of managers. There are different styles of management styles. There are different types of management styles. First of all, there is traditional management. Traditional management means a management style where there is top level management, there is middle level management, there is low level management. We will discuss these in detail in next slides. And they follow the hierarchy. Okay, traditional management, they give directions to middle, and middle level give directions to low level. Low level give reports to middle, and middle level gives reports to top level management. After this we have another style of type of management style, and this is team management. Team management means when in this team management there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or more than 5 or some members in a team, and the leader of the team is the manager. And as the team management, a manager or as a team leader, he has to guide his subordinates. He has to guide all the team members. So being the leader of the team, he has to guide, he has to set the policies, he has to give directions to everybody. So there are not the levels of management as top level, middle level and low level managers we had in the traditional management style. In this management style, we do not follow any levels of the management. Third style is the servant manager. In this style, managers have to provide facilities, and they have to provide proper tools, equipment, and they have to supply resources to their subordinates in order to perform certain tasks. And the last type is the time management. Time management is process of planning, controlling how much time is spent on specific activities. Here we have to understand where if there is a project which has multiple steps, then managers have to decide how much time is required to complete certain tasks, and ultimately how much time is required to complete the project. Next topic, students, is goal. Goal means the desired result, the destination, or the final outcome a company wants to have after their efforts. And goals are the aim, goal are the destination, goals are the targets. And whenever we set the goals, we should always set the goals under the SMART criteria. So what is SMART criteria? SMART. Goals should be specific, goals should be measurable, goals should be achievable, goals should be relevant and realistic, and goals should be time bound. Last topic of today's summary video is the efficiency and effectiveness. Students, what is effectiveness? Effectiveness means doing the right thing, achieving what you are assigned. If we assign any task to the employee and employee achieves his task, it means he is effective. And what is efficient? Efficient means when a person gets maximum output by using minimum resources. When the waste is minimum, when the minimum resources are used, then and maximum output is produced, then the manager or then the employee or the organization is efficient. Effectiveness means doing the right thing, and efficiency means doing things right. So students, this was all from week number 1. We will meet again with the week number 2. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.